Car dealers are in business to make money, and most of them are honest. Sadly, some play the game and know the tricks that can put you in a trap. Having car smarts is important, and being prepared for those potential situations where you meet those more aggressive salespeople who are looking to close the sale and maximize their profits, and it costs you money. And here's how to avoid these car dealer tricks, and knowing all the little details is not just going to save you money, but it's going to give you car smarts. Buying a car is an exciting time, and it's easy to want the car and miss the tricks and the games that can cost you money. The credit trick. A dealer may tell you your credit score won't qualify for competitive financing rates. This may be true. The dealer is implying your credit is worse than it is, and you'll have to pay a higher interest rates. The Car Smarts tip: find your credit score before you buy. Use Credit Karma or other apps. The three-part trick. Many people view buying a car as one transaction. It's not. It's typically three transactions rolled into one: the new car price, the trade-in value, and the financing. A dealer sees this as three transactions and three ways to make money. Car Smarts tip: look at each transaction the same way the dealer does. This means you should negotiate each one separately. The payment trick. The dealer will discuss many monthly payments that seem affordable. They typically factor in large down payments or stretch out the terms on an auto loan to 60 or 72 months, and they do this with leases as well. The Car Smarts tip: negotiate the price of the car rather than the monthly payment. Never give them what you can afford monthly, and stick to the price. The sticker price trick. The vehicle price listed on the window is what's known as the manufacturer's suggested retail price, or MSRP. With the chip shortage, you need to look for the market adjustment prices or similar wording. Some dealers are overcharging buyers. The Car Smarts tip: finding the car is half of the battle, and a good dealer will not put those add-ons on. They'll sell it at sticker. Some really hot cars, though, do go above sticker. Don't be afraid to walk away. The holdback trick. Manufacturers offer loyalty or conquest discounts. These incentives are part of something called holdback, which is money goes back to the dealer. Typically, it's not discussed unless you ask for it. Loyalty or conquest discounts are larger for more expensive cars. Don't leave money behind for the dealer that wants your business. It doesn't hurt to ask on any vehicle. The financing trick. Getting a call after the purchase that your financing isn't accepted. Dealers can now qualify you for financing almost instantly, and they try to get you to sign up for the loan with a higher interest rate. That's what the call is all about. According to them, they just found out that you didn't qualify for the loan rate. That's a scam. Car Smarts tip: never leave the showroom without signing all the contracts that spell out every single detail, and if you have questions, ask. Don't leave anything blank. The rollover trick. It's tempting to want to trade up for a more expensive vehicle before you finish paying off the vehicle you're currently driving. Some car buyers roll over the remaining payments on their current car into a new vehicle, a loan, or even a lease. The trick is that you'll end up owing more on the second car than it's worth, and it's called being upside down on the vehicle. And if it's totaled, or you're in an accident, or if you decide down the road to trade it in, you'll end up covering the remaining amount of the loan. Car Smarts tip: don't roll over on an old car loan into the new one. Pay it off first. The balloon trick. Some dealers will encourage you to purchase a car for an unrealistically low monthly payment. This sounds good on the surface, but it will leave you with a large balloon payment at the end of the loan period. And this is the price you'd be paying at the end of the lease as well. It can get very expensive. Car Smarts tip: be very wary of balloon payments, and know that your financial situation may change over time, and that balloon payment comes due, you'll have to make that large payment at the end. Bait and switch trick. The bait and switch trick is when you are looking for one car and the dealer manages to get you behind the wheel of a different one. This strategy is used to get you to drive something that is available rather than something they don't have available. Typically, they're trying to get you into a more expensive vehicle. The Car Smarts tip: do your homework and know what you can afford. Go to another dealer if they don't have what you want. The contract trick. The contract tricks are clauses tucked in fine print that you might miss and likely wouldn't even read it. They might come in the form of changes to the loan term, add-ons that you never even agreed to, or services that can lead to significant costs. Here's the CarSmart's tip. Read over the contract carefully. Ask about all the charges and make sure the terms are clear to both you and the dealer. Always keep a copy of the contract. Here's the bottom line. Buying a car is supposed to be a good experience, and if you're being tricked, walk away. Don't overpay for your vehicle. Knowledge is power, and make sure to save this video for your next purchase so you don't get tricked. And remember, what the big print gives, the small print takes away. If you want to see more videos like this, check out my website, carcoachreports.com, for more car smarts. I'm Lauren Fix for Local Now.